How to do 80 plus push-ups in one set. Be honest, do your arms give out after 20 push-ups? Maybe 30 if you push hard. What if I told you the secret to cranking out 80 push-ups in a row has nothing to do with strength and everything to do with how you train your brain? See, most people think push-ups are only about muscles. Wrong. Push-ups are actually a skill, and like any skill, the nervous system learns faster than your chest or triceps ever will. That's why you hit a wall so quickly. Here's the game changer. Instead of maxing out every workout, use the grease the groove method. Do multiple small sets of perfect push-ups throughout the day, never to failure. Your brain rewires, your endurance compounds, and within weeks, that wall at 30 reps disappears. Suddenly, hitting 80 feels less like torture and more like rhythm. This isn't theory. It's exactly how elite athletes train skills. It's like teaching your body to save progress each day, rather than restarting at zero. Now I want to know, what's your current push-up record? Drop in the comments. I'm replying to every single one. Grab the free workout plan in the description. It pairs perfectly with this method. And if you want faster results, smash like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who brags about their push-ups. But don't stop here. Don't miss the next video on screen. Click it now before you lose momentum.